have so many boxes. Oh my goodness. Do you see all of this stuff on my bed? Okay, so I'm going to be showing you this haul in a minute. Let's see if we can zoom in at all of this box stuff. This is a lot of stuff. So I'm going to probably go in my beauty room to show you guys because the lighting is not good in here at all. Okay guys, I've already showed y'all all of this stuff that I had on my bed from Amazon. So this is going to be an Amazon haul plus some things I got from Riley Ross, which is and I'm keep looking over here because I bought a new camera also. I have a Canon Rebel T6i now, guys, and I'm trying to, and I'm still looking here when I should be looking right here. So I'm going to try to look there. So if I happen to look over here, please forgive me. It's to get used to. I was using a Nikon A900 or something like that at first, so the screen was like up the top instead of on the side. So I'm going to be trying to look directly at you guys, so forgive me. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is pulling up Amazon website to see what I ordered. Now, it's one thing that I will not like hands-on show you that I bought from Amazon, y'all, because the girl can be nasty sometimes, you know. But anyway, okay, so the first thing I ordered is, let's see, let's pull this up. It's called ACROWN 5D 25mm lashes. They are mink full lashes. This is what they look like right here. And they were actually $14.99. They are 3 different styles, and actually, I have Prime, so I got them really fast. So I'm going to bend over to pull this up. So if you order $35 or more, then you can get your package like the next day or the same day. So that's what I did with these. So this is what they look like right here. I bought like 3 packs of it. So if they were $14.99, then I pay like 40 something, almost $50 for them. But these are beautiful. These are 25mm lashes, and they are 5D millimeter lashes, full volume, cruelty free, Siberian mink lashes, the strip lashes. So if you can see the packaging, they comes in different colors right here. So because at first I was like, I can't even tell the colors, but this is what they look like. So this is what they look like right here, and from the side. Oh, these are gorgeous. So this is the first pack, and then I have the other one, which they all look alike to me. Let me pull up the other pair. This is what they look like from the side. I think these are like really gorgeous. Okay, so this is what they look like, and I really should have put no lashes on, that way I can be able to show you guys what they look like, and they are different. The next thing I got was the, I'm not even gonna pull that up yet, was this SOLARFUN classic crossbody bag, and this is what that looks like right there. So I'm going to go ahead and find that. And it came in a nice little box like this that says SOLARFUN. So I'm going to go ahead on and pull this up. It comes in like a dusting bag. And what they do, what I like about it is that they gave me a necklace, guys. It's a free gift that they give to you. So it's a necklace, and it's like really cute. You can see the necklace right there. I thought it was cute, so I can use that. And this right here is the bag. What? Really nice, guys. Really nice. And it comes with the chain and everything. I think it's like a patent leather. It has a button right here. I thought it was really gorgeous. So this is what she looks like. And let's take this stuff up out of here. And she comes like this, so she has no zipper at all, guys, except for the middle part. It has It's like 1, 2, 3 compartments right here, and there's a zipper right here that you can open. So I thought that this was like really cute for when I go out and I want to have fun. I don't want to wear like crazy bags and stuff like that. Oh, I'm sorry. And this bag right here from SOLARFUN, it was actually $23.99. So the next item that I got was where's that? Was the BEATFUll fanny pack for women. And this backpack, fanny pack, was actually $19.99. It's like Gucci inspired. This is what she looks like right here with the bees and the lion head on it, and I think in the what else? That's it. She is so cute. I wore her one time, and then in the inside you get a zipper here on the side, on this side, and you get like a little card compartment right there, and this is what she looked like. The back of her is like this, and of course the belt. Now I wear this like if I'm going to put my jeans on or whatever, and I'll wear it like that. That way the hooks can go into the jean area, you know, where you put your belt holes at. So this is what she looked like. I thought she was really, really cute, guys, for $19, and she's beautiful. She is like really beautiful. So the next thing I got was some masks, because I really need some masks when I'm doing nails and stuff like that. So I really wanted the black one, so I had went on and got these masks right here, you know, like when you're doing nails and stuff like that. So I got these, and they give you so many of them. I'm telling you, so many of these, and it's more in here. It's like 120 of them, and I got them from Amazon, and they cost, let's see if I can pull this up, your orders. You get so many of them, I'm telling you guys. And they were, it's 120 disposable face masks, breathable dust filter mask, mouth cover mask with elastic earlobe, breathable, comfortable, and black. And they were $9.99 from Amazon. I also got the drill. I got a pro nail drill machine, which is $37.59. And it is 30,000 RPMs. It's electrical drill like you use for doing nails. And I already have one, but I needed another one, so I went on and purchased this one right here. And this was like 50, 58, no, 37.59. So this is what it looks like. Very, very nice. It comes with like a little mini small foot pedal that I'm not going to use. I'm not going to use it. And it comes like this with the handle. The handle goes inside of here, and I used it, guys, already. So the handle goes in there, and it's very, very sturdy, very good for when you're doing your nails. It also comes with, oh, actually this piece came off. That goes in the middle of here. It goes in the middle of there. This will turn it up and down, reverse, forward, and off and on. And if you put the foot pedal in, the foot pedal goes right there. So they give you a lot of pieces with this. I don't really have everything right here in front of me. They give you like a little stand right there, that way you can put your drill on if you want to put the stand. So where's that box for that? That would be this one right here. So I need this. I really do need this. So I was like, I need it, so I got to go and get it. So the next item I got was, that's from my Amazon haul, is I ordered the okay, which that is on right now on me. It is the 1,350 watt photography continuous, what is this? Continuous softbox, and it has great big bulbs, and this was like $39.99. I ordered that from there. So first off, I'm going to show you the great big bulb that they give to you, and these bulbs are, let me see, what's the watt of the bulb? The sockets are the E27 socket, actually they come with two bulbs. I don't know the bulb. I don't know the watts, y'all. I'll put it down below, hopefully, if I can remember. So they give you 2 boxes like this. It comes with the diffuser. It comes with the stand. I can't get this out of here, guys. It's hard. So these are the bulbs right here, and I'm gonna tell you, they are gigantic. They are really, really gigantic. And what this say? The 110 volt to 130 volt. Okay, guys, so this softbox is from Mount Dog right there, and it is like really, really huge. It comes with the stand right there, y'all. This is my junky dresser right here. It's like really junky, and my ring light is over there in the corner. But this is how it comes, and it comes with like a diffuser, and inside of there you have the bulb. So that's about it for that. I really can't show it all that good because my beauty room is small, but this is a huge soft box, guys. Really, really huge. Okay, guys, the next thing I ordered was, actually, I really don't want to say it on here, and if it's kids on here, please leave right about now, which is a toy. So I'm not going to show you guys it, but it was like $12.60 something. For anybody who wants to know about toys, just let me know, and I will do some type of video or whatever for you guys, but I'm not even going to show you what it looked like because I don't know if anybody going to feel uncomfortable about it or whatever. I know I don't, but that's what I got from Amazon. That's my haul, guys. So, I mean, if you feel uncomfortable, I apologize, but I don't feel uncomfortable at all. I don't know how YouTube would feel about the toy area, but I'm not going to show it right now because I don't want to get copyrighted, or I don't want my, well, not copyrighted, but I don't want my video to go down. Somebody flag my video, so I'm not going to put that up. But this toy, which they have some really nice toys, guys. All I'm saying is that's a suction cup one, and it's like bomb. So I'm going to show you the Riley Ross items that I got, and this is what the bag looked like. I love this pink bag. I love it. So it's Riley Rose. If I'm saying Riley Ross, I apologize. But let's get receipts, because I'm going to need receipts. So the first thing I got was the Pinky Rose Cosmetic Pink Paradise palette, and I always wanted this palette, guys. Always wanted this palette. And it's cruelty free. Always wanted this palette, but I was like, I didn't know where to get it from, but now I do. She's really huge, really nice. The net weight is 45 grams, 1.58 ounces. And of course, the little see-through film fell on the floor. So she has a great big mirror. She's gorgeous, guys, gorgeous. And this is what the colors look like. They are to die for. I love all of these down here, all of them, from here and here all the way down. The top ones I'm not really like with too much because I have a lot of those colors, but all of these I love. It would be $27 at Pinky Rose. Then the next thing I got was, oh my goodness, this palette. I love this palette. This is the Desert Oasis. It's a 19 color shadow and highlight palette, and it's from BH Cosmetics. And of course, y'all guys know BH Cosmetics. And when I said, oh, the packaging is really cute, but when I opened it up, hunty bunches here. It has a really, really nice mirror to it. And these are the colors that's in it. And I'm going to tell you, this is not doing it any justice. These are gorgeous. These colors are so gorgeous. And I went on and swatched this one because I wanted to do it like as a highlighter. Okay. Don't want to focus. But anyway, I thought that this was like so cute. You see that just went on my nose, guys? Look at, oh my goodness. I use that highlighter, honey. That is just gorgeous. So, of course, I don't want to leave it like that on my nose. But can you see the highlight? Beautiful. So this one right here was $24. And actually I do want to swatch some of the Pinky Rose colors for you guys. So let me get her back over here so I can swatch some of these colors. So this would be my favorite color right here. They don't have names to them, guys, but we talking about pigmented, very pigmented. Very, very pigmented. So the next thing I got was the You Glow Girl Baked Highlighter from J-Cat, and it's YGG 103, which is in Pink Goddess. So let me tell you about this here, honey. This here is the bomb. The shimmers in here alone is like the bomb. It's a baked shadow, and this one right here was like $9. Do you see that? Oh, honey, 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 honey. That is so beautiful. So I paid $9 for that. So this will conclude my my little haul, guys. I think I really got some nice things. And where's my tissue? Some nice things from Amazon. And Amazon, really, you can get your hands on some nice stuff, y'all. And my lashes, I really wish I had at least put a pair on for you guys. That way you can see what they look like. But you will be seeing me apply these. I may do a video on what they look like. You know, that way you will know. And I keep looking over here on what they look like. That way you will know what they look like. So I guess basically that's it. I want to apologize that I haven't been recording lately. I try to at least put 2 videos up a week, but I've been failing on that, and the reason why is because I have been extremely busy doing a lot of things. Y'all seem so awkward to look right here than to look at the monitor, you know. So I probably connect my computer or something, or a monitor or something, and with a screen. I said monitor. Connect a monitor or something, that way I could be able to see when I, you know, what I look like. That way I won't keep looking over here, because once you connect that, this will go out and I could be able to focus here. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Amazon haul, and also my palettes from Riley Rose. If you would like to see me apply these lashes, thumbs up the video. Let me know that, Jay, I want to see this, you know, and I will make sure to give you this, okay? All right, you know, like J Baby always says, what do you say, girl? She says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah.